Hello guys, welcome to Khmer Technology. Today I show you guys how to cut a picture into another picture, or how to move only that picture to another photo. So when you open Photoshop, it will show you like this, and just create new here. I want to drag a picture. I want to drag this beautiful picture into the Photoshop. Yeah. Okay. So I unlock here. Then I create another another like this example. Okay, so I want to move her only into this task. How to do so? So to doing that, go to here, select subject. Yeah, it's easier. And here, quick selection tool, reduce here, cut. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, I think you can zoom a little bit. Control Alt and scroll. Okay, example, it's done. Select here, select tool, drag. Yeah, see, you can drag to here. Yeah, nice. Yeah, cool. Control T, make her bigger. That's nice. See, okay, it is. I think that's all. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.